Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day featuring TXTR by Cantu. So I recently went to their event and I simply had to make a video for you guys. This is not sponsored. They gave me their products to try out and I figured I might as well do a wash day video. So let us begin. We're going to start off with washing with the soothing shampoo. I personally love the nozzle because you can easily get under your hair and get to the roots immediately instead of having to go lather it up and get all under there. It lathers well and it smells great. I know you can't tell from the video that it's lathering, but it is truly lathering. It is more of a softer lather than a hard lather, if that makes sense. It is made with apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil. And you know my favorite part about this shampoo? It is non-stripping. My hair did not feel stripped after I washed it with shampoo. For those of you guys who know me, I am a co-wash girl. I like to keep as much shampoo out of my hair as possible, and this definitely did the trick for me. So I'm super happy that it helped me with all my product buildup. It's all gone out of the way, and I can happily just rinse that right out with some nice, cool, warm water. Why did I say cool, warm water? Some cool water. There you go. And one thing I wanted to let you guys know about these products that I love and that you guys are going to know as soon as I tell you is that they are silicone, mineral oil, and paraben free. So pretty much they are Consciously Me approved. Stamp of approval is on them. I'm so happy. For those of you guys know, I am on a Consciously Me journey. I try to stay away from toxic ingredients like parabens, silicones, mineral oils, and any type of ingredient that will cause me to question, like, should this really be in my hair, in my skin, or on my body? So the next thing you guys will see me use is the leave-in / hydrating conditioner. It's also a leave-in conditioner, so if you don't wash it out completely, not a big deal, which I actually love about that a lot because, as you guys know, I love moisturizing my hair. Love, love, love moisture, especially since my hair loses it so quickly. I use this to detangle my hair with my cosmology brush. So I actually adore this cosmology brush. Another hair blogger got me onto this brush and it is amazing. It makes my detangling process so easy. As you guys notice, I detangle my hair from the end up. As you guys can probably see, there's like little twists in the back of my hair by the nape of my neck. So I currently am growing out to my undercut. And because of that, I just twist it up when I'm washing it so I can give it extra care. So once I'm done detangling my hair, I like to follow up with a moisture mask. It is by far my favorite item I saw when I was at the event. I was so interested in trying this item out because I love moisture. My hair loves moisture. It thrives on moisture. I'm a big moisture girl. So I'm always excited for any type of thing that's going to deep condition my hair. And this did not let me down whatsoever. It moisturized my hair so well. I will definitely be rebuying this, that's for sure. So once I was done deep conditioning my hair, I would put a mask on it and I'll let it sit for about like an hour or so just to get really deep conditioned and super healthy and good. So once that was done, I actually will wash my hair out with some cool water and just rinse out all that deep conditioning, and then I'll go into styling. Today's particular style that I will be doing on my hair is another twist out. If you're interested in seeing that twist out, be sure you watch the next video next week,